Hi everyone, myself Bindu Jayadev. I welcome you to my channel Math Studio. Please subscribe the channel if you are watching first time and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos from the series Quick Revision module. After the completion of the syllabus, it becomes necessary that we have a proper revision before the actual examination. Quick Revision module covers the topic content and problem solving sessions will help you to revise and practice the topics for examination more easily and quickly. In this video, we will discuss and solve the problems related to arithmetic mean, median, mode, and quartiles for grouped and ungrouped frequency distribution. Let us start our session. Arithmetic mean, mode, and median for ungrouped frequency distribution. That means discrete data. Calculate the arithmetic mean, mode, and median from the following distribution. I'll show you how to calculate arithmetic mean, mode, and median for this question. Now here, first check that which data is given. Size of the shirts in centimeter. It is given 36, 38 and all. That means it is an observation X. Number of shirts in stock. That is 5, 15, 30, etc. That is F. That means this is an ungrouped frequency distribution or it is a discrete data. Now how to calculate arithmetic mean for ungrouped frequency distribution? First of all, we need to think about our formula. What's the formula for calculating arithmetic mean? That is X bar. The notation X bar equal to sigma Fx whole divided by sigma F. Now, what you are going to do? Step number 1. First, prepare a table. The table consists of how many columns? 3 columns. First, X, then F, second column, X and F from the question, and we are going to make it Fx. Fx means F multiplied with X. Now here, 36 multiplied with 5, 38 multiplied with 15. Therefore, corresponding X and F value will calculate and write in this column. If I'm going to calculate now here, that is 36 into 5, 180, 570. Take your calculator, not with your mobile. Use simple calculator and calculate it. This is for the practicing for your examination. And here this is coming 440. Therefore, these 5 values, after that, add all these 5 values, you are going to get it 3230, 3230. That means the numerator value we got it. Now, what is the next? Sigma F, summation of F. F column added, you are going to get F column as sigma F. If you add, you are going to get it as 80. Now, this is table finish. Second step, you are writing your formula. What's the formula for arithmetic mean? We have already written arithmetic mean X bar is equal to sigma Fx divided by sigma F. Substitute the value 3230 in the numerator divided by 80. We are going to get the answer as 40 divided by 40.38. Therefore, this is the arithmetic mean for this particular question. Now, we are going to consider what is a mode. Okay. Now, here, next, mode from the same. I just copied the question here. Now, see here, mode is one of the easiest measure to calculate from the measures of central tendency. The mode is a number that occurs most frequently in a given data. That is, the mode is a value which occurs a maximum number of times. Therefore, what will here? Now see here, this is your 36 is your X, right? This X is repeating 5 times, right? And 38 size, that means this size of shirt is 38. How many shirts are there in stock? That is 15. Therefore, here, what is that? 40, that is 30. Therefore, what is mode? Mode is a value that is repeating maximum. Therefore, here what you are going to do? You are going to find the maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency here? That is 30. That means 5, 15, 30, 20, 10. That is 30 is the highest frequency. What is the corresponding X? That is 40. Therefore, your mode value is equal to 40. Just an observation you can write what is the mode for a discrete data. Maximum number of time which value is repeating. That is called as your mode. Therefore, here the highest frequency is 30. So, the corresponding value of X is, what is at X value? That is 40. Therefore, mode equal to 40. You already calculated your arithmetic mean, that is 40.38. Now, mode you got it as 40. That is just, there is no calculation or anything. From the table itself, you can write what is the value of mode. Therefore, this is the method of finding mode from a ungrouped frequency distribution. Next, we are going to consider median. For median, same like your arithmetic mean, you need to create a table. That is your first step. The step number 1, you are going to make a table. That table is called as cumulative frequency table. What it is called? Cumulative frequency table. I'll show you how to create that table. First column, that is your X. Same question, we are doing it. That is the number of size of shirts and number of shirt here. Here, that is F. These two column I just copied from the question. Now, what is the next? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative means it is frequency less than. Now see, cumulative frequency, there are less than and greater than one. Now here you can use it anyone, but normally we will use it less than. Less than means here we will start from the smallest value and we keep on increasing. We are going to keep on add the frequencies. That means, see here 36 is your size of the shirt starting. What is the frequency? That is 5. But what you are going to do? You are going to first write your 5 here. That means this 5 to repeat. Then this 5 you will add with 15, next frequency. That means you are going to get it here, that is 20. That means size of the shirt, maximum how much? That is 5. Now for the size of your shirt is 38. Up to 20 is the frequency. That means it's include 36 size also. Like that way it goes. Now next is 20 add with 30. Therefore, what's the answer is coming? That is 20 plus 30, 50. Keep on increasing the value, and 50 plus 20, that is going to be 70. 70 plus 10, that is 80. Okay, that means here 5, 20, 50, 70, 80 is the cumulative frequency column. It is denoted by CF. Therefore, this is the first step. You are going to create the cumulative frequency table. For that table, there is 3 column, X, F and cumulative frequency. How you are going to do cumulative frequency? Start from the minimum frequency first and keep on adding for the next column. You are going to reach up to 80. Now see here, you add this number of shirts, total number of shirts. That is 5 plus 15 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10. Again, your sigma F for N is equal to 80. These two things is going to be matched. Otherwise, your answer, your addition is wrong. Therefore, this is now completed your cumulative frequency table. There is no formula or anything. You want to locate your median. I'll just tell you how to locate it. Now see here. So step number 1 we finished. We prepared the cumulative frequency column. After that, you are going to locate, okay, your median from the table. Now how to do it? First, we'll write what is your N. What is your N? N equal to 80. Here 80 is an even number, right? Even number means the number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now here n is 80, therefore consider n divided by 2. N divided by 2 means 80 divided by 4, sorry, 2. 80 divided by 2, that is 40. Okay, it's equal to 40. Now what you are going to do? You worried the value of n by 2. Now check it that this 40 comes in which column, means which place in cumulative frequency column. That means here this is up to 5. 20 means here after 5, that means here up to 20. Here up to 40. Therefore, where is this 40 comes in this cumulative frequency column? In this place. That means here this is actually your n by 2, that is your 40 comes. Now what you are going to do? How you are going to locate the median? Now corresponding to this cumulative frequency, what is your X? That is 40, right? That means here see the same line which I am marking it. Therefore, corresponding cumulative frequency 50, where your n by 2 lies, your X value is 40. This is called as your median. Therefore, after this calculation, actually we are going to locate by observing the table. Here we will conclude like this way. The value of X corresponding cumulative frequency in which n by 2, what is n by 2 value here? 40 lies is 40 only here. Therefore, median equal to 40. Don't confuse, because this is n by 2 value is 40, but again our median also it came as 40. Normally it can happen even 38, 36. Next example I will show you that. Therefore here we discussed the question, only one question, but for we calculated arithmetic mean, mode and median for ungrouped frequency distribution, that is discrete data. Practice it for these questions. Now next we will consider arithmetic mean, mode and median for Grouped frequency distribution. Here, which one? Grouped frequency distribution. That is continuous data. That is continuous data. Okay. Now we'll consider the question. Question number 2. Calculate arithmetic mean, mode and median marks of students from the following frequency distribution. We'll see the distribution. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20. That means it is given in the form of class interval, and number of students, that means it is frequency. Therefore, here this data is ungrouped frequency distribution or continuous data. Now we'll see the question. Arithmetic mean first. How to calculate arithmetic mean? See, for group data as well as ungrouped data for arithmetic mean, the formula it is same. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean x bar equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Both the cases, discrete as well as continuous data, the formula it is same. Only the difference it is going to come in the table. Therefore, here the table, first step we are going to construct the table, but we need the table with 4 columns. For discrete data, only 3 columns. Therefore, here first class mark, next F, that is from the question we copied. Second, third column, that is class mark. What is class mark? That is denoted by X. Class mark is the midpoint of the corresponding class interval. Suppose you are taking here first class interval 0 to 10. What is your midpoint? That is 5. Right? Next, 10 to 20. What is your midpoint? That is 15. What is the calculation here? How do you calculate it? That means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That means 10 plus 20 by 2. This is the way you can calculate the midpoint. 10 plus 20, that is 30 divided by 2. Here 0 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Therefore, I am going to fill here this column, that is 5. Next, 10 to 20, that is 15. 20 to 30. 20 to 30, what's the midpoint? 25. This is 35 and 45. That means here, this column we completed, that is X, that is your class mark. Therefore, what is next? Next, we are going to find your Fx. Fx means F multiplied with X. 7 into 5, that is your 35 here, the value. The same way, when you are going to calculate it, remaining values are 180, 375, next 350, 270. Okay. After completing this all values, we are going to add these 5 values. You are going to get it 1210, and one more column here space we need to fill, that is your sigma f, that is you are going to add the number of students. Total number of students are 50. Then you are going to use your formula. What's our formula? The formula it is x bar. The arithmetic mean x bar equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. We are going to substitute 1210 divided by 50. That is your answer is equal to 24.2. Therefore, this is the way we are going to calculate arithmetic mean for continuous data or group frequency distribution. Now we'll see for mode. Now for mode and median, we have to learn a formula. Till now for mode, just an observation we have done. Even for raw data, discrete data, just an observation we can find mode. But in continuous data, we need to use a formula. Therefore, we'll consider the same question, that is for mode. Here, marks, number of students, the same question. This is your class interval and this is your frequency. Now see, here, this is your formula. The formula for calculating modes represented by Z, that is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. That means here, what is L1? What is L2? Now then it is F0, F1 and F2. You need these 5 values to complete this formula. Right? Once if these values are ready, just substitute it, you are going to get the value, that is mode. Now, how do you find these values? What is the first step? Now, here, there is no need to create any column and all. From the question itself, you can make out. First, see that which is the highest frequency. Among these, 15 is the highest one. Correct? That means here, largest frequency, that is 15. According to this largest frequency, what is the corresponding class interval? That is 20 to 30 is the class interval, right? That means this class interval is called as model class. What it is called? Model class. Now in this model class, lower limit is called as L1 and upper limit, that is 30, it is denoted by L2. L1 is lower limit and L2 is upper limit. So once you have written the model class, you can write what is L1. What is L1? L1 equal to 20 and comma L2 equal to 30. Now what is remaining? F0, F1, F2 remaining. Therefore, what is F0, F1 and F2? F1 means the highest frequency, maximum frequency. What is here? That is F1, 15. Correct? Now 15 just above, if you are writing in a column, if that way just think about it. Otherwise, one frequency just above this highest frequency, that is 12, this is denoted by F0, and one is below, that is it is called as F2. Therefore here first you locate your F1, that is the highest frequency, just one frequency that is just above, that is preceding frequency F0, and next one is after 15, that is your F2. That means here you are going to write F0 equal to 12. See, this is in order: F0, F1, F2. Which one will locate first? F1. Okay, now we are going to write the values: F0 12, F1 that is 15, and F2 that is 10. Okay, after that we are going to substitute in the formula. Now see how we are going to do the calculation. That is mod Z is equal to here L1. What is L1? 20 plus, I'm just writing in here, F1, that use the bracket, F1 that is 15 minus F0 that is 12 divided by 15 minus 12 plus, that is F1 minus F0 plus F1. What is F1? That is again 15 minus F2, that is 10, right? Not 0, 10. Okay, close the bracket, and here L2 minus L1. What is L2? 30 minus 20. Now step by step to go. Now first remove the brackets. That means this bracket here 15. Okay, do this bracket first, calculation brackets. Okay, now I'm just doing it. That is 20, it's written just plus 15 minus 12, that is 3, divided by 15 minus 12 again 3, plus 15 minus 10, that is 5. All brackets we are removing, brackets we are calculating. Okay, and here what is that bracket? That is 10. Bracket means you can write that one multiplication. Okay, otherwise write bracket, then also it is right. 30 minus 20, that is 10. Therefore this is equal to 20 plus 3 divided by this 3 plus 8, I am calculating here, the 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8 here, into 10. Okay, therefore that is equal to 20 plus 30 divided by 8. Therefore here 20 plus 3.75. Therefore the final answer 23.75 is your mode. Therefore first you want to learn this formula, write and learn the formula. Okay, the formula says it is L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into L1 minus L2. That means here you need 5 values: L1, L2, F0, F1 and F2. First locate what is your model class. Model class means which is a class interval with highest frequency. Here highest frequency was 15, then we located as 20, 30. If it is 20 to 30, L1 is 20, L2 is 30. Now highest frequency is your F1. Just above that frequency, that is F0, and one below that frequency it is F2. Now substitute it, but go by step the means calculation and complete it. Therefore you are getting the value, that is 23.75. That means here we calculated mode for a group frequency distribution, or otherwise it is continuous frequency distribution. Now we finish arithmetic mean and mode. Now we are going to do median. Median also with the formula. Okay, but before the formula you need to complete the cumulative frequency table. Last time for the discrete data we already completed. Now see here, median, same question, just 2 or 3 columns for the your cumulative frequency table, that is class interval, frequency and C. Now here 0 to 10, 7, 10 to 20, 12. We have already written that F values. We are going to fill this cumulative frequency column, that is starting with F, lowest frequency. Then now 12 plus Here 7 we are adding, that is 19. Next is, 1 second. This is 19. How do you get it 19? That means this 7 you add with 12. That is the value, it is 19. Okay. Now, next 19, 34. 34 plus 10, 44. 44 plus 6, that is 50. Therefore, what is the total? That is equal to 50. Here you have completed your cumulative frequency table. So, what is the next step? We are going to write what is your n, that is f, sigma f, that is n, 50. Now we are going to find what is n by 2. That means here 50, here that is 50 by 2, that is equal to 25. Okay. Now to find the class interval in which n by 2 frequency lies. Now here 20, where it comes 20, that is a thing. We need to locate it. Up to 7 is here. Here 19, up to 19, up to 34 is in this line, right? That means your n by 2 lies in which corresponding class interval? That is this one, 20 to 30. That means 20 to 30 is called as your median class. Same like model class, we need to locate median class. How do you locate median class? First calculate what is n, then calculate what is n by 2. N by 2 is denoted by small m. Here it is 25. Therefore, now locate where this frequency comes, 25. Now 7, 19, 34. This is up to 34. 19 after 34. Therefore, 25 lies here. The n by 2 value, that is 24. And locate the corresponding class interval, that is called as model class. Okay. Therefore, here you can write, okay, you can write here the lies, that is 20 to 30. Therefore, median class equal to 20 to 30. Once median class is ready, you can write what is your L1. L1 is 20 and L2, that is 30, like your model class. Now, just listen. I'll show you how to write remaining. Before that, we will just see your formula first, okay? Therefore, I'm just rubbing these lines. Okay. Now, see here formula. What is the formula? The formula, it is median represented by m. M equal to L1 plus m minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. Now see here L1, L2 that we already written. Now small m is there, that is your n by 2, it is there already. Two more value, that is CF and F. Therefore, these are the two values you just want to know, that what is CF, what is F. Now, what is F? Now, see here, which is your median class, that is 20 to 30. What is the frequency? 15. Therefore, here 15 represent F. F means frequency of the median class. Now, what is CF? CF means cumulative frequency. It is in that column. Which cumulative frequency? It is not median class cumulative frequency. It is a cumulative frequency which is above the median class. That means here this is 19 is your CF. I'll just rub this on, then you will make out very clearly. Just see, median class I denoted. Corresponding frequency F, that is your F, that is 15. And what is CF? Not 34. It is direct one, not 34. Here cumulative frequency CF is a cumulative frequency which is above the median class, corresponding class interval, that is 19. Therefore, here we are going to write now the other values, that is your F. F is equal to 15 and CF is equal to 19. Therefore, first thing you have to locate your median class, then you can write all these values, and already small m we calculated, that is n by 2, the answer is 25. Now, the formula we are going to substitute like your mode, that is L1. What is L1? 20 plus. What is small m? 25 minus CF. What is CF? CF is equal to 19 divided by F, that is 15 in, that is bracket L2, that is 30 minus 20. Therefore, that is equal to 20 plus this subtraction. We will do this minus, that is 6 here, divided by 15. What is a bracket? Bracket I removed, I have written into 30 minus 20, that is 10. Therefore, this is equal to 20 plus 6 into 10. Numerator we are multiplying. 60 divided by 15, that is 20 plus 4. The answer is equal to 24. Therefore, median for group data, first create the cumulative frequency table. That is step number 1. Step number 2, we are going to calculate m, small m. That is small m, that is n by 2. Now locate what is your median class. After locating the median class, write L1 and L2. Lower limit and upper limit. Now the frequency F means the corresponding frequency of the median class. Therefore here it is 50. And next is CF. Normally students make the mistake for CF. They will write direct, that means what is the cumulative frequency of the median class. No, it is not that. It is one class above the median class, which is a class above 10 to 20. What is the cumulative frequency? 19. Therefore these are the values you need before substituting in the formula L1, L2, M, EF and CF. Then substitute and solve it. That is your answer. Therefore, ungrouped frequency distribution for mode and median, we use the formula. Now, students, listen here. For the median formula, for further calculating quartile, decile, percentile, means for group frequency distribution, we are going to use same formula. Only the difference comes here, that is small m. Here m is equal to n by 2. For quartile, deciles and percentile, that it's going to be changed. That is only the changes remaining. Everything is the procedure is the same. Cumulative frequency table, you want to locate that class, particular class. Here it is median class. If it is quartile, it is a quartile class. Like that way it proceeds. If you know how to calculate median for group frequency distribution, you can calculate remaining quartile, deciles and percentile for group frequency distribution. Now we have completed arithmetic mean, mode, median for grouped as well as ungrouped frequency distribution practice for examination. All questions are for 4 or 5 marks. Next, we are going to do it. Quartiles for grouped frequency distribution. See the question. What's the question? The question is find median first quartile and third quartile for the following data. So where is your second quartile? Second quartile is same as your median. I'll tell you how. See, this is a total n. Okay. Once if you are going to find the midpoint, that is n by 2. N by 2 represent your median. Right? Median is same as your second quartile denoted by Q2. That means 50%. That is n by 2. Now here in the 25%, that means here this is called as Q1 first quartile. That means the total n you are going to divide by 4. 25%. Next, 75%, it is denoted by Q3, that is third quartile. Here that is 3n by 4. Now, just above I showed you that it is m, it is n by 2 for median. Therefore, in case m here, that is n by 4 for first quartile and 3n by 4 for third quartile. This is the way you can calculate quartile, first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. Second quartile is same as your median. Therefore, this question, they ask you to find median, first quartile and third quartile. Now see, for examination, they will ask you the separate question. They won't ask you all three together. But I'm just showing you how to calculate it. Median, first quartile and third quartile with the same question. Therefore, you can just connect it. Okay. Next. First, we will find the median. Therefore, median, we already did one question. Therefore, we can proceed it. What's the step number 1? We are going to construct your cumulative frequency table and we are going to proceed it. Therefore, the cumulative frequency table, first column marks, next number of students, that is class interval and F is written. Now, we are going to find what is CF. We are going to fill that one. Just lowest frequency, that is 6. I continued from here 6 to 9, that is 15. Continue it, 35, 15 plus 20, 35 here, 53 and plus 7, that is 60. Now check it that here total values also coming 60. Add this all columns, it is also coming 60. That means this calculation is right. Now what is the next step? This is median or second quartile. Therefore you need to find here n by 2. In median's case, it is represented by small m. Okay. Therefore here the first, we are going to calculate n by 2, that is n is equal to 60 and small m is equal to n by 2, that is equal to 30. Now, what is the next step? You need to find what is the corresponding class interval where this n by 2 lies. Now, see here, this is 6, this is up to 15, this is up to 35. Therefore, automatically where it comes your n by 2, that is here. What is the corresponding class? That is 35, that is here. This is 10 to 15. Now 10 to 15 is your which class? You can write here median class. Okay, median class. Now corresponding frequency, that is 20. What is denote? That is your F. Correct. Now next, the cumulative frequency just above the median class, that is your CF. Okay, therefore here you can write here median class is 10 to 15. Correct. Next we will write 10 to 15. L1 that is 10 and L2 that is 15. Lower class in lower limit 10 and lower upper limit that is 15, and then it is F is 20 and CF that is 15, and you need one more value that is small m. You already calculated m is equal to 30. Then we are going to write the formula. What is the formula for median? There is no need to write this sentence here. Yes, formula it is m equal to L1 plus m minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. I just created the space for calculation. Now you are going to substitute the value, that is equal to m. Median m equal to L1. Substitute L1, that is 10 plus m. What is m here? That is 30 minus. What is CF? CF is 15 divided by F. F is 20 into L2 minus L1. That is 15 minus 10. So that is equal to 10 plus 13 minus 15. I am calculating, that is 15 here, divided by 20, and 15 minus 10. What is that? That is into 5. Therefore, this is equal to 10 plus 15 into 5 divided by 20. With the calculator, calculate 15 into 5 divided by 20. You are going to get it 3.75. Therefore, answer is 13.75 is your median. Therefore, this is one more example. I showed you that how to calculate median for group frequency distribution. It is important, the formula. Here, normally the table, it is for 2 marks, and for the formula it is 1 mark, and remaining calculation again it is 2 marks. Therefore, it is 5 marks question. Now see, this is second quartile, right? Second quartile, or it is called as median. How did you calculate? N by 2 you have calculated, and n by 2 which class interval it is located. Therefore, that is median class. Same way for quartile, first quartile, instead of this n by 2, what is you are going to calculate? N by 4. Then you locate the class interval. That class interval is called as quartile, first quartile class. Okay, now we are going to do it next with the same question. Here, step number 1, what we are going to do? Cumulative frequency table. Therefore, here we are going to calculate first quartile. Okay, same step. First, complete your cumulative frequency table. Again, same thing. Therefore, I'm just repeating fast here. That is 6, 15, 35, 53, and 60. Calculate here also total number 60. Therefore, your table it is finished. Now, what is the next? Because of Q1, what do we need to calculate? N upon 4. Therefore, here N it is 60. What is N upon 4? 60 here divided by 4, that is equal to 15. Now, what you are going to do? You are going to locate where is this n by 4, in which cumulative frequency it is going to lie here. 6, 15. Already 15 is here. Therefore, here it comes your n by 4. What is the corresponding class? That is 5 to 10. Therefore, what is your Q1 class? What you are at? Not median class. Q1 class is equal to 5 to 10. Then we are going to write what is your L1. L1 is 5, and what is L2? That is 10, and what is N upon 4? That is equal to 15. These three information you are written. Now, what do you need? You need F and you need C. What is F? F means the frequency corresponding to Q1 class. This is called as Q1 class. You can write. Okay. Therefore, N is your F. Examination also just mark it here with pencil, then it won't make any mistake. And what is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency just above that Q1 class. That means here 6 is that frequency. Therefore, here this is CF. Now I'm just writing F equal to 9 and CF is equal to 6. We have completed our information. Now we can substitute in the formula. What is the formula here? That is, now we'll use the formula. The first quartile Q1 equal to L1 plus. See that where's the difference it comes? Instead of small m, that is small m is actually n by 2. Here we have written n upon 4. Okay. That means here this is the formula. That is L1 plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. The same like as median only. Now we are going to substitute it. That is L1. What is L1? L1 value, that is 5 plus n by 4, that is 15, minus CF. What is CF? 6 divided by your F value, that is 9, into L2. L2 is 10 minus 5. Calculate it. That is here 5 plus 9 divided by 9 into 5. 9 cancel. Therefore, 5 plus 5, the answer is equal to 10. Therefore, what is your Q1? Q1 equal to 10. Therefore, with the same formula, the same method, how did you calculate your median? Same way you can calculate Q1. Only the difference is going to come here. Instead of n by 2, it is n by 4. The formula also changes with the same. Next, Q2. That is second Q2 finish. That is your median Q3. Okay. For Q3, with the formula, it is same. Instead of n by 4 or n by 2, that is here next we'll solve for Q3. That is the third quartile. With the same question, step number 1, same cumulative frequency table. Now it is for you, it is very easy. That means you are start with the lowest frequency 6, keep on adding 6 plus 9. It is keep on increasing the values. That is equal to 15, here 35. Next value, that is 53 and 60. Here total also calculate and check that these two values are matching. Otherwise your addition is wrong. Therefore you want to check that thing. Now next, what you want to find? You want to find what is a Q3 class. Correct? For Q3 class, first find out what is 3n upon 4. For calculate 3 upon n upon 4. 3 into what is n? 60 upon 4. That is equal to 45. Now check that which class interval, corresponding class interval, this cumulative frequency lies. That is 45. 6, 15, 35. Here up to 35. Now here up to 53. Therefore, where it comes? In this location. That means here it is 3n by 4. So what is the corresponding class interval? 15 to 20. This is called as Q3 class. Now this frequency 18. Correct? 18 is your F, and the cumulative frequency just above your Q3 class is denoted by F, CF. Okay. Therefore, you can write here Q3 class is 15 to 20. Therefore, what is your L1? L1 equal to 15, comma, L2 20. Now, we are writing 3n by 4 also the value you already calculated, that is 45. Next, F is 18 and CF, that is 35. After locating all these values, we are going to substitute in the formula. See the formula. What is the third quartile? Third quartile L1 equal to L1 plus 3n upon 4 minus. Now see, here only the difference comes. Here if it is median, it is n by 2. If it is Q1, that is n upon 4. And for Q3, that is 3n upon 4. Minus CF divided by F into L2 minus L1. Here all the values are with us. That is 15 plus 3n by 4, that is 45, minus CF, that is 35, divided by F, that is 18, into L2 minus L1. What is L2? That is 20 minus 15. Now that is equal to 15 plus 45 minus 35. We are calculating, that is 10 divided by 8, 18 into here, that is 20 minus 5, that is into 5. Now calculate this value, 10 into 5, that is 50 divided by 18. Calculate it and add with 15. 15 plus 2.78. The answer is 17.78 is your Q3. Therefore, here we completed how to calculate Q1, Q2 and Q3. Here Q2, that means the second quartile, is also called as your median. Therefore, the method which already we have solved for median, therefore make sure that you are doing these calculations properly. It is only just learn that formula and learn how to locate L1, L2, F and CF. Okay, F means the frequency corresponding to that particular class. If it is median, median class, Q1, Q1 class and Q3, Q3 class. And CF is the cumulative frequency which is above the median class, which is above that particular class. That way, just locate all the values and then substitute in the formula, solve it, you are going to get your answer. Therefore, this is your quick revision for the topic. First, arithmetic mean, mode and median for grouped as well as ungrouped data, and also for the quartiles Q1, Q2, Q3 for the group data. Now practice this question. Yes, thank you student for watching. If you really enjoyed my lecture, please like and share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out the video updates for the new video series for this quick revision module, which is going to helpful for you for the examination preparation. If you have any question, query or suggestion, please ask in the comment box. Then we'll see you with a new topic the next time. Thank you.